Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones LENOVO GM2 Pro. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now click on your headphones. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just close the case. Now we should see not connected, and after that open it. Cool. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So just close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case. Now click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!